Hello everyone, today we are diving into the fascinating world of learning Japanese. Whether you are starting from scratch or looking to improve your fluency, we've got some effective strategies that will help you master the language. So grab your notebook and let's get started. Japanese is known for its complexity, from its three writing systems to intricate levels of politeness in speech. But don't worry, with the right approach, learning Japanese can be an incredibly rewarding experience. First things first, setting clear, achievable goals is crucial. Why do you want to learn Japanese? Is it for travel, business, or perhaps to enjoy anime without subtitles? Your goals will shape your learning path, from the vocabulary you prioritize to the grammatical structures you focus on. Immersion is key to learning any language, and Japanese is no exception. Let's explore some effective immersion techniques. Start by incorporating Japanese media into your daily routine. Watch Japanese films, anime, and dramas. Listen to J-pop or traditional Japanese music. The more you listen, the better your ear will adapt to the nuances of the language. Reading is also a fantastic way to boost your comprehension. Begin with manga or children's books and gradually work your way up to newspapers and novels. With advances in technology, there are countless resources available for learning Japanese. Apps like Anki for flashcards, language learning platforms like Rosetta Stone, and online communities can all be part of your arsenal. Utilize apps for daily practice and join online forums or language exchanges to practice speaking with native speakers. Consistency is crucial. Set aside time each day for Japanese, even if it's just 20 minutes. And remember, balance your learning across speaking, listening, reading, and writing. Practice writing to improve your kanji recognition. Engage in conversations, either in person or through language exchange apps, to build your speaking skills. Learning words and phrases within the context of their use is much more effective than memorizing lists of vocabulary. Try to understand how these terms are used in real-life situations and keep your learning journey enjoyable and varied to stay motivated. Participate in Japanese cultural events or cooking classes to use Japanese in practical settings. Celebrate your milestones, no matter how small. Mastering Japanese takes time and effort, but with these strategies, you are well on your way to becoming fluent. Remember, the journey of learning a language is as rewarding as the outcome. Keep practicing, stay curious, and you'll not only learn a language, but also discover a rich and fascinating culture. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe for more language learning content. Visit our website for additional resources and connect with us on social media. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.